What's up, YouTube? This is gonna be another gardening, one of like 2 gardening videos we did. We planted, this is mammoth sunflower seed. We'll have to look on the date. I'll put it on the description of when we planted these seeds, and I'll link that too. We went around planting this bitch, but we noticed today this bitch finally bloomed. And this bitch looks beautiful, bro. Look at the fucking detail of that. That's a mammoth sunflower. And they said, you can't grow that in the dirt. It's not gonna bloom or do shit. But okay, what is that right there? It said dirt. Regular dirt. And then some asshole threw something on it, and it even went through getting destroyed. Or not destroyed, but flattened.
Yeah, it's a survivor.
It's a survivor because I fucking drilled some stakes in the goddamn ground and used some metal shit to hold that bitch up. And that's a beautiful, that's a beautiful mammoth sunflower seed. I got the stake holding it up, growing. So we noticed these both today at the same time. This is, you know, if you look at the other video, you can see where we planted various seeds. But over here, if you walk with us, when we was going to the store, we looked over and we noticed this bitch is, now I know why they call it a mammoth. It looks bigger than it looked earlier. Shit. You see them leaves? Them leaves are coming from that fucking mammoth.
That's beautiful.
All that, yes, it's so fucking beautiful. The fucking leaf, it looks like a damn cartoon character or something. If it had a fucking face, it'd be perfect. we could edit a face on that bitch. But we planted it. This is beautiful as fuck. That was a plant we bought from the store. He got ran over.
I heard about that.
You know, we planted Lila's plant. I don't even know where the fuck that's at either.
We need to get some wooden things.
Here's Lila's plant. It kind of got raped too by a fucking tire truck.
You heard me? We can get some wooden things.
I'll get a stake and hold that one up too. We'll do some repairing when I feel like it. But this mammoth is what this video is about. We planted these fucking flowers when it was just a wee seed, a fucking seed. Look how thick these damn look how thick this bitch is. Look at it, and it even has another bud, but just didn't get as much light. That thing is fucking crazy looking.
Yeah, it is.
Look at that. It's dark, like it's dead, like it got burnt, but this fucking, that's what struck me about these mammoths. And it grew so cool, baby. See, the root is strong as fuck. It's almost like it got de-rooted a little bit, but not really. This started from a seed, guys. We've never planted in our life, so this is fascinating. Ain't it? Like, just holding this thing is thick, bro. It's a whole fucking, like, life form. Like, ooh, I don't want to crack it. But this thing is fragile as fuck, though. You know what I'm saying, baby?
We need to get a fence or something like that.
Yeah, you can see the hairs in the HD video right here. I got a focus on the back. You can see the hairs, baby. Come look at this. You see the fucking hairs on it? You see it? The hairs?
Oh, wow, yeah.
That fucking plant right there, it just feels so good when you know that you planted a seed.
That's right.
Looked at the packet, seen this beautiful plant. It's like, man, in what, 20 weeks probably? It was probably fucking 20 weeks ago since we planted. I forgot about these things.
Yeah.
But this is an update video, man. This thing looks rough, you know, it's rough, but we're gonna get a fence, like Ali said, and really preserve these plants in here, because damn, the work it took. We just threw a seed in there, man. Watered it a few times, let that Florida rain do the rest.
We need to plant some more.
And we're gonna plant
different type of seeds inside of there.
Definitely, and we definitely will. But at first, I'm gonna give me a little white mini picket fence, one of them garden fences. And we'll clean it out, we'll make it a project, and we'll make it a video. But we just wanted to update you guys.
I wish we could, like,
so we got
an inside, like a pond. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, a little pond.
Like little duckies or something.
So there's that one over there, and this one over there. Them two, they're so big you can literally see it from over here. Do you notice any other ones on the sides? This is pretty much the only ones. It got the perfect amount of water and the perfect amount of sun. If you look at the video, I'm gonna link the other video. But we planted several of these sunflowers, these mammoth sunflowers.
Yeah, we did. And, I don't think.
And you know, just conditions don't. That's why I did so many, because that's like the process of elimination with life, man. Conditions was only perfect for 2. Out of 20 seeds.
We make something out of it.
Yeah, we're gonna have some projects, but if y'all guys like that, you know, subscribe and like it. And I know we're gonna go a couple weeks without posting sometimes. If you feel some type of way, unsubscribe if that's what you want to do. That's what some of y'all do anyways. But you just know we'll be back when we feel better. You know, we're sporadic.
Oh yeah, very.
But you guys tell us how beautiful do you think that plant is? Is that a nice plant or what, guys? The mammoth sunflower, bro. Such a beautiful plant, brother and sisters.
Brother and sisters.
All right,
Yeah.
peace.
Peace.